without speaking. Chapter 7, saying without speaking. Before studying this chapter, you have to know about the meaning of this chapter. What is the meaning of saying without speaking? It means explain your words without telling, without saying. So in this chapter, we have to learn about those people who cannot speak and how can they communicate with each other and how can they understand around us. So at the end of this chapter, we will able to identify and discover the importance of sense organs to know the world around us. At the end of this chapter, you will be able to identify sense organs to know the world around us. And the second one, compare, classify and know the difference in the life of people who cannot see, hear or speak. Identify the life of people who cannot hear and not speak. And third one, know about the different expressions. So these are the things which we have to know about this chapter, which we have come to know about this chapter. So let us first discuss with how do we come to know about the world around us. How do we come to know about the world around us? So our sense organs help us to know about the world around us. So we have 5 sense organs. We have 5 sense organs: eye, ear, nose, tongue and skin. Okay? So with the help of this sense organ, we come to know about the world around us. So let us explore more about the sense organs. Eye. What is the role of eye? We see with our eyes. Eye, see with our eyes. We see the worlds around us with our eyes. We see anything like we see day and night. We see rainbow. Ear, to get the different types of sounds, noise. With the help of ear, we hear with our ears, and to get the different types of sounds and noises with the help of our ears. And third one, nose. Nose. We breathe and smell with our nose. We smell all types of smell like bad and good. Tongue. Tongue to taste. Tongue help us to taste. It helps us to taste our food and also taste like bitter, curd and sweet. Bitter, sweet and sour. Okay? And last one is skin. It helps us to feel. It helps us to feel. This is the large organs of our body, skin. It helps us to feel. Feel like the warm, the cold and also the pain. We feel the pain with our skin. So this is our sense organs. We have 5 sense organs: eye, ear, nose, tongue and skin. So this is the role of sense organs in our body to understand the world around us. Okay? Okay, let us check again. As we have just discussed, we have 5 sense organs. So let us do an activity. Skin. What is the role of skin? Tell me. Okay? Skin is to touch. Eye. We see with our eyes. Eye goes to sight of vision. Nose. We smell with our nose. Ear. Ear goes to hearing. Tongue. Tongue goes to taste. Okay, I hope you understood. Students, do you know, most of us can hear and speak, but in the world there are many people who can neither hear nor speak. So can you tell me how can they talk? हमारे वर्ल्ड में बहुत सारे ऐसे लोग हैं जो ना तो सुन सकते हैं ना ही बोल सकते हैं, तो वो अपनी बातों को एक्शन के द्वारा बताते हैं और दूसरे की बातों को उनके लिप मूवमेंट से समझते हैं। जस्ट लाइक आई सेड हाउ आर यू, ओके, दे अंडरस्टैंड बाय माय लिप मूवमेंट, okay, and they do actions.
So some of the facial expressions are surprised, happy, not liking it, very happy, worried, angry, pleased, sad. So these are the some of the facial expressions.
Okay, let us do one who cannot speak. What we call this person who cannot speak? We call them dumb. Okay, dumb. One who cannot hear. The person who cannot hear, we call them deaf. We call them deaf. One who cannot see. What we call them? The person who cannot see, we call them blind. Okay, one who cannot speak, dumb. One who cannot hear, deaf. One who cannot see, blind.
So as I discussed, our face is our mirror. So by looking at someone's face, we can tell if the person is happy, sad or angry. We can talk through dance as well. In dance, the hands and face are used to convey feelings. These are called mudras and bhav. So the dance which is done by your hand is called mudra, and the dance or facial expression which is done by your eyes is called bhav. Look at and do these mudras. Learn some more dance mudras and do them. Have a look these dance mudras, and you can also do this. And these are the dance actions. What we call them this dance? First one is Mukhul Mudra. Second, Padma Kosh Mudra, like lotus. Third, Mriga Srikha, like deer. And fourth, Matsya Mudra, like face. These are the dance actions which are done by any person in their dance performance. Scared, hurt, worried, angry. These are the most common expression of a human beings. Now you have to do some exercise in your book. So you have to show what kind of face this picture will have. This is Aftab. His favorite toy has fallen down and broken. He is sad. So how will his face look be? He will have a sad face. He will have a sad face like this, because his favorite toy has broken. And this is Julie. Her little sister was born just yesterday. She is very excited. So how will her face look? So Julie looks very happy and excited like this. Julie looks very happy and excited. This is Yamni's mother. Today, while Yamni was taking out the bottle of pickle from the kitchen, it fell from her hand and broke. Draw the look on her mother's face. Angry face. How will her mother feel like? Her mother feels very angry. Something like this. This is Rehanna. She is afraid of dog. While playing, suddenly a dog came in front of her. How will Rehanna look? How will Rehanna's face look? Scared. Because she doesn't like dog's sudden appearance. Dog makes her scared. So her face looks scared.